All right, getting back on video to get the tail end of the storm. It's a lot of rain coming here into Plano, Texas. Sitting here in a grocery store parking lot, and look at the wind. It's really picking up. And it's just a lot of rain. I mean, it's buckets and buckets. So if you're out driving, you might want to take cover. Don't second guess the flash flooding. Wow. Coming off a string of quite a few bright and sunny hot days with no rain whatsoever. And here it is about 4 o'clock p.m. and out of nowhere you just get a huge bucket dumping here. Wow. Lots of thunder and lightning too. Look at that rain. Look at that. Wow. All right. Talk to you in the next one. Stay safe, everybody.